Here's how to change edit button to Fortnite PS4 to left stick. First is open your Fortnite game and redirect yourself to the settings options. After redirecting yourself on the settings options, use your controller until you see there the icon which says controller mapping. After going to the controller mapping, you will be able to see there the presets. Now what you need to do is to make sure that it is under the custom options of controller binding presets. Afterwards, you will be able to see there the edit options. Now click on the edit options. Now after clicking on the edit options, scroll down until you see there the edit building wherein you will build on how are you going to edit the left stick controller of your PS4. Now click on the edit building and you will see there press any button. Make sure that you will press the buttons that you have on the left stick that you have on your PS4 so that you can enjoy it while using the Fortnite game.